Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study business studies. To truly master this subject, you must first grasp the fundamental concepts and theories. It's crucial to link these academic ideas to practical, everyday business situations. This approach helps you build a robust understanding, moving beyond mere memorization. Developing sharp analytical and critical thinking abilities is also paramount for success in this dynamic field. One highly effective strategy involves creating detailed mind maps. These visual aids help organize complex information and show connections between different topics. Additionally, practicing past exam questions under timed conditions is essential. It builds confidence and improves time management. Collaborating in study groups allows for diverse perspectives and helps clarify challenging concepts, making your learning journey more comprehensive and engaging. To truly master key concepts, begin by breaking down large topics into smaller, more digestible sections. This makes the learning process less daunting and more effective. Utilizing flashcards for definitions and important terms can significantly boost your recall. Furthermore, applying case study analysis is vital. It helps you understand how theoretical frameworks are used to make real-world business decisions, deepening your comprehension. For exam preparation, systematically review all syllabus content, ensuring no topic is overlooked. It's wise to prioritize areas that carry a higher weighting in your assessments, dedicating more study time there. Remember, getting adequate rest before examinations is just as crucial as studying. A well-rested mind performs optimally. This holistic approach ensures you are fully prepared for success.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.